Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete the Windows.old folder after upgrading your system and free up gigabytes of space safely. When you upgrade Windows, your PC keeps a backup of your old version in a folder called Windows.old. This is useful in case you want to roll back, but if you're happy with the upgrade, it's just wasting space. This folder can take up anywhere from 10 to 30 GB space that could be used for games, apps, or even system speed. Let's start with the easiest method using Windows settings. First, click on Start. Settings. System. Move down and click on Storage. Under Temporary Files, look for Previous Windows Installation S. Tick the box, then click Remove Files. Next, try the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. Click on Start and then type Disk Cleanup. Select C, Drive. Click on Clean Up System Files. Tick Previous Windows Installation. Click OK, then confirm deletion. Lastly, if the folder refuses to go, use Command Prompt. Type in this code and hit Enter. Only use this if you're sure you won't need to roll back Windows. And that's it. You've now freed up space and cleaned up your system like a pro. Smash that like button if this helped you, subscribe to IT Next, and comment below if you have any issues. See you in the next video.